In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when some Wi-Fi networks are not showing on your Dell laptop. First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Click the network icon on the taskbar and check that Wi-Fi is enabled. Next, restart your laptop. This simple step often fixes temporary issues. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings, then choose Network Reset. This will refresh all network connections. If some networks are still not showing, check your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, then right-click your Wi-Fi driver and select Update Driver. That's it! These steps should help fix Wi-Fi networks not showing on your Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.